lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls.
So I'm heading on the road today and I'm doing it with my sugar. I'm doing it with my sugar. Give mommy kisses. Give mommy. Yeah, so we have some errands that we have to run and I'm taking my boo-boo with me. His name is Ace. I wanted to do like a video talking about like autism because I've said it many times on the vlog that Ace is autistic and other persons don't understand what autism is. So you hear that? That is stimming or repetitive play. So he repeats stuff. So whatever he learns here, sometimes you watch at your business, you will repeat it. So he actually. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but yeah, he does that a lot. Like he repeats stuff, repeat things that he hears, like on the TV, on his tablet, just general songs and stuff like that. Yeah, so April is regarded as Autism Awareness Month, and it is essential that we understand what is autism and treat persons with autism. It is not a disease, it's not a virus, and not something we catchy. We have to understand what it is and treat persons with autism fairly and give them the same opportunities that you would have given another child or another persons who are autistic. They're normally very smart, they're bright, they're brilliant. It is just that their social skills are off. They tend to feel things a lot more in terms of like textures, in terms of like, Ace, can you get your slippers? Can you get your shoes, please? So they tend to feel things a lot more. Let me show you this. So you see, I can give him instruction. He follows instructions. No, because before he wasn't doing that, but we started doing like therapy and he's doing so much better. He's getting so much better. They said not to correct him whenever he does something like that, like him put on him shoes on the wrong foot. I'm not supposed to correct him. Just allow him and then I'll just show him the right way how to do it. Come to mommy. Alright, so take off this one. Take off the next one.
I want to be good.
Alright, look at it. Look at it. So this foot goes to this one.
I want to be good.
And this foot goes to this one. Awesome. You did wonderful. So yes, so as I was saying, he tends to feel things a lot more like textures. So like clothing, they will feel the difference in the type of textures that. So for instance, you have a child that you have always just put in a cotton or spandex or whatever. You now cannot just buy any type of clothes, right? So say for instance, like it's now used to always have a marina underneath him shirt. You just can't get up and just put on him shirt without a marina because he's used to that. So him like the feeling of the texture of the marina. So you have to, whatever you start out with, I just set a go. In terms of like, yes, Sam, I'm so ready. We're waiting on grandma. We're gonna wait on mama. Waiting on grandma. This is an egg. You want a piece of mommy egg? Want some? No? We're waiting on grandma. We're so ready. Alright. So, like for instance, like food wise, they like, because of the texture, whatever they are used to, they're gonna stick to that texture. Hence why Ace is still drinking from a nipple bottle. Him only drink Pediasure, so that's his meal. So a Pediasure would be considered his meal, right? So it has in I think 27 minerals and vitamins. I'm gonna eat my egg. I'm hungry, so don't put it down. I need it. 27 minerals and vitamins. I also supplement vitamins. I also supplement fiber because him don't eat fruits or vegetables, so I have to supplement the fiber so him don't get constipated, because that's one of the things that comes with it. So he gets constipated easily because him only drink milk. And people that be like, oh, you feel get constipated and you only drink milk. Listen, your body is made to process other things. So if you are gonna have a diarrhea because if you drink milk, because you are eating from all the food groups. But somebody who's only eating from one food group, then the digestive system becomes out of whack. So that is one of the things that happens to children who are autistic, or persons who are autistic. Because they normally just stick to one thing that they eat, it normally causes digestional issues. I was talking the other day about him getting fever. That is one of the things also because he's not eating how he's supposed to eat. That, you know, that's another challenge. So we are now trying to introduce to him different food so he understands, because he's going to be 5 soon. He's going to be 5 soon, so we have to introduce different foods to him. We do ABA therapy, and that has been a dream come true. Mrs. Morgan, big up the nice clean self anyway you're there. She has taught me so much, so much. I wish that there are more resources in Jamaica that could help children with autism, and especially for persons who are poor, or persons who are of a certain socioeconomic background that cannot afford certain things. I wish that there are a lot more resources that can help persons like that. He is very loving. I remember one person telling me that, oh, they don't know how to show emotion, they don't know how to love. He is loving. He loves his mother. Yeah, you see, he loves his mother. He gives me kisses all the time, hugs all the time, and he is like, he can sense it. Like I have been dealing with a lot in terms of like depression and stuff like that, and he knows how to give me the right amount of hugs, and that's why we nickname him Sugar. He's the sweetest. Yeah, one more thing, persons always tend to be like them handicap or whatever. Listen, if you call him up in the handicap, if you call him handicap, me will rip yo. Yes, he is a special needs child, but he is amazing and I love him. I had to go through a grieving stage, and that is fine, because when you have a child, you have certain things that you expect from your child. You have certain dreams that you have for your child, and when you see that your child is not developing like you would want to, I guess as parents you kind of feel a little way. You kind of, you know, you worry, you talk about it, you whatever, but we understand that this is what we are given. This is what, and my husband and I, we love him just the same. In grandmother, in brother, in uncle, brothers, because he have another brother, Radiel. They love him and they treat him like no, there's nothing different, because he's not different. He just learns and processes things a little bit different from everybody else. And right, aces, give mommy high five, fist bump. Give me fist bump. He's a little bit shy too. Give me fist bump. Yeah, that is it, my boy. That is it. Yeah. So, as I said, a lot of time persons don't understand, and persons can be mean. Like, you see me in public, and if he's having a meltdown, or you see anybody else with a child having a meltdown, you do not know, please do not comment on the people and you don't know what is happening, right? Persons can be mean, and persons do say mean things, right? But I just wanted to say that, come on here, and I think I'm going to use my platform to raise awareness for this, because, as I said, autism in Jamaica is not being treated fairly, and the children are at a loss. If you have a child who's autistic or suspected, or you feel like something kind of, you know, you need to seek help. There are some doctors that you can go and get the child evaluated, so you can start getting intervention, because intervention is the key. Ace he never used to respond to his name, and he never used to follow command. He needed help with his motor skills and stuff like that. You getting the information as a parent, you can help your child. There are so many resources online also, but you need help first, understanding where your child is, and how you can assist, right? Come here, so get pampers, how you can assist that child, and that is important. How you can assist that child. Can you hold your pampers? Put it right there beside the wipes.
All of the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just
different level. Yeah. So, as I said, I'm using my platform to raise awareness and get other persons to understand what it is and how you can make a difference. What else? Oh, snacks. These are the only 2 snacks. First it was only Bigfoot, but as time progresses, we're now eating tortillas, right? Yes. So him now start take tortillas. I think him like the crunch. Him like the crunch of it. And of course, Pediasure. So whenever we're going out, you have to make sure you carry that, because that is what him eat. That's his meal. As I said, you're not gonna actually get the stuff readily everywhere, so you can like buy one this or that. You have to make sure. So you're bringing food, and this is his food. So we're bringing 2 Pediasure, 2 juice, because we'll probably live on the road all day. So I'm gonna bring 3 just in case I'm really hungry. And juice. There's nothing where I'm gonna see where I'm gonna want and eat. So it's easy if you bring out more than Raji. Easier to carry no way than Raji. Raji him can know with everything is he want. But it's nah, no one touch nothing, no nobody touch him. You don't want nobody touch him. And whatever I'm having and pack, that's what he's gonna eat. So it's easy to carry. Right, Shug, you say? Right. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Guys, I have something that I just have to push up there because of TV noise. I just have to try on camera. So my friend, my church brother, the prayer warrior, the cake doctor, Jovan Walker. So Jovan Walker is a legend in Jamaica in terms as it relates to baking and stuff like that. I'm gonna tag his Instagram and you can go ahead and check it out, right? So everybody know once I celebrate anything, a straight Joe, right? But this time I'm not celebrating anything. The man just give me some dinner, right? And I'm gonna try dinner on here, and my entire family is gonna try it with me. So this is curry, what is the name? Octopus, curry octopus or sea puss.
No squid and octopus.
No, it's octopus. Him says is squid and octopus the same thing?
How will you tell me now?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Squid
I'm sorry.
tell me.
It's octopus.
Huh? Yeah.
So this is curry octopus, and it has basmati rice, roti, plantain. People don't know if you can see it good because me I tell you, my mouth of water. Your mouth of water?
Yes.
You want try? Okay. All right. So we're going to try it. Me bite the bullet first.
Ladies before gentlemen.
I kind of like it. So yes. Kind of like it. And then it cooked down with some coconut sauce. You can taste the flavor.
I know.
No, I like that color. Then, you know, kind of like it.
Tastes like liver that I give that.
No.
Because it has a little chewy taste there to it.
It's like skunk.
Well, plate material roti. It tastes like conch? I don't eat conch, so I don't know.
It tastes like skunk.
Where is the skunk? Is it skunk? No, conch. Right? You like it?
Yeah.
I do love it. I love it. I tell Joe no matter what hours a night me I come feed. And it's late now. I'm tired, but I asleep.
Basmati rice?
I make it roti himself.
Yeah. Everything is from scratch except the rice. Joe make you want a roti?
You sure I make your rice?
Bad.
It's fun, yeah.
Bad, huh? She's some.
It have a little curry crab to it too.
I don't know curry crab. Never eat that.
But soon you need them like something.
Yeah, sure, I put it on.
Wow. Is the one tried? One tried? Yes, not.
Try it, man.
It's really good. The bite? And this is called communion bowl. It's really good. Not gonna lie.
Season to your bones.
Seize up. And right amount of spice, like pepper no overpowering. Because ginger in there, you don't know how we do curry. As a curry boss, I approve. Oh my god. Last bite. It's really nice.
Yes.
Yeah, you take it out.
Why? Wow. One, take a bite. It's really good. Me not tell lie. I can't stop saying how good it is. At first, me have it now. I've never eat. What you call this? Octopus. Wait,
We calamari, but
I've never had it.
Calamari squid.
Calamari squid, though. Never eat this. Really nice, though. I not lie, with a shell an entire plate.
Plate.
Really good. Joe, you're gonna have to think there. I'm get a piece of plantain.
I shall one plate for two, Joe.
One plate name make no sense around this yard, yeah.
and can I? We don't need little ketchup, but you know.
You have ketchup now. Where are you ketchup?
You know, like ketchup with everything.
Ketchup and curry is nice.
I thought ketchup not going on curry, darling.
Yeah.
You're alone.
Then when they say gonna run my belly, but
He never run your belly.
they run my belly.
Oh my god. It's really good. Man. Spot.
I feel like one bird.
I feel like I could eat 1 pound for sure, but me not. Me over 200 pounds. Me over 200 pounds. Me make your rice pass me by. Me I look and not look.
About 200 and I'm still like it.
Well,
150 on my eat.
the person we lose weight to continue eating it. It's really nice though, really nice. But we can't eat so much rest night yeah. But it really have a buzz. Joe, I forgot to do it again.
We're gonna save the rest of this I eat a breakfast time, you know.
Oh my god. You can save if you want. Jojo, you have to do it again, my boy. You have to do it again. Because it was it.
It was it for sure.
Really it. You can eat a little bite.
Octopus name, bad at all. I suction this.
Oh yeah.
No,
You like the suction?
no, I don't want to no more.
Why? See the one who said they have a little suction cup.
Yeah, but my name was so that down here, so.
Chef kiss. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Would recommend.
Would eat again.
10 out of 10 would eat again. Thank you, Jojo. You say I choke me. I choke me. I got beard. See you later. See you? You ready for going to bed? Ready for going night? Ready for going night? Give mommy kisses. Give mommy one more. Give mommy one more. Give mommy one more. You wipe off your kiss? You wipe off your mother kiss? Alright, make a boom yo. Boom. Okay, that is it from us for now. I not eat the suction now. No, I can't eat nothing more. I go drink some water. Put it in the fridge. I sample that tomorrow if you don't want to eat it. I can't do more rice night, man. Too late.
Yeah, rice.
I go rip that up in the morning though. If I'm more roti, I would have destroyed it right now. If more roti did. Yeah, if I had more roti. I would have destroyed it right now. Nope, not even a second thought.